Go to the website and click the Register button. Fill in all required fields, including your company name, first and last name, email address, and password. Take a moment to review the details, then click the blue Register button. You are now taken to the Projects page. If you need to add more users later, this can be done at any time from the Users page in Settings. We'll begin by creating our first project. Enter the project name and choose an abbreviation. This abbreviation will be used as the prefix for all items created in this project, making them easy to identify. Once saved, the project appears in the list. With projects in place, we can now start creating items. From the Items page, we create a new item. First, we select a project, then enter the item details such as title, description, context, and any other required fields. You can also add comments, paste text, or attach screenshots and other files to provide additional information. Once everything is entered, we save the item. After saving, the item immediately appears on the Issues page, where all items are listed and tracked. Let's create a second item as well. This time, we'll choose a different status and attach another screenshot to demonstrate how items can vary. When creating an item from the Items page, selecting a project is required. However, when an item is created from the Projects page, the Filters page, or a project-specific view, the project is already known and is selected automatically. This helps speed up item creation and reduces repetitive steps. Now let's set up item filters, which allow us to view and organize items in a flexible way. We start by creating a new filter and giving it a clear, descriptive name. If needed, the filter can also be shared with a team so others can use it. Next, we define which columns we want to see. For example, key, title, context, description, selected statuses, and the revision field. As we configure the filter, the system keeps track of all selected conditions. Initially, we didn't restrict the filter to a specific project. Now, let's add Project 1 to the filter settings. The filter updates immediately. Next, we create a new item in Project 3. When we return to the filter view, this new item does not appear. That's because the filter is currently limited to items from Project 1 only. We can also change the status of an item and instantly see how it affects the filtered results. You can also clear any remembered filtering if you want to reset the view. Items can be sorted by any column, making it easy to scan and prioritize work. When a filter is shared with a team, it becomes visible to all team members under Team Filters. Filters can be customized further, columns can be reordered, conditions adjusted, and layouts fine-tuned to match how you prefer to work. Filters can also be exported to PDF. Before exporting, column widths can be adjusted, for example, giving more space to the description field for better readability. After saving the layout and exporting again, the PDF reflects the improved formatting. Now let's look at time tracking. If no time has been recorded yet, the Hours page will appear empty. We open one of the items and register time spent on it. Then we repeat the process for another item. As time is entered, it becomes visible on the Project Hours page. Here, all registered hours are listed together. Hours can be marked as reviewed and filtered by review status. Once reviewed, entries can be filtered out, making it clear which hours have already been processed. The system also includes global search. From here, you can search by item key or by any text contained in the title or description. This makes it easy to find items quickly, even across multiple projects. Finally, let's look at billing and subscription. When a company is first registered, a 14-day free trial is activated automatically. To upgrade, select the desired number of users, choose a plan, and proceed to the payment page. On the profile page, users can update their name, change their password, and select the appropriate time zone. In the top right corner, the current storage usage is displayed. Once storage usage exceeds 80%, warning messages will appear on login, helping you manage space before limits are reached.